Vietnam is not just a destination, it's a journey of culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes. In this carefully designed 10 days in Vietnam, VietnamTour.in brings you a seamless experience across vibrant cities, heritage sites, and natural wonders. With private transfers, curated tours, and premium 4-star services, every moment feels smooth, refined, and truly unforgettable. Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City, a place where energy, history, and modern life come together. From the moment you arrive, enjoy a comfortable, private transfer arranged by VietnamTour.in. Settle in and take your first glimpse of the city's vibrant rhythm. Your journey begins with ease, warmth, and a sense of excitement. Escape the city and step into the peaceful world of the Mekong Delta. Cruise along the river, passing the iconic islands of Dragon, Unicorn, Turtle, and Phoenix, surrounded by lush greenery and local life. Stop at Unicorn Island to experience a slower, more authentic rhythm of Vietnam. On your return, visit Vinh Trang Pagoda, a serene and beautiful ending to a calm, enriching day. Travel to Cu Chi and discover one of Vietnam's most fascinating historical sites. Explore the intricate tunnel system, hidden trapdoors, and underground spaces that tell powerful stories of resilience. Experience history firsthand as you walk through preserved areas and gain deeper insight into the past. The journey feels meaningful, immersive, and truly eye-opening. Enjoy a relaxed morning before your private transfer takes you to the airport for your flight to Da Nang. With VietnamTour.in, every transition is carefully arranged to keep your journey smooth and stress-free. Arrive in Da Nang ready to explore a new side of Vietnam, coastal, modern, and scenic. Travel to Ba Na Hills, where the experience begins with a breathtaking cable car ride above mountains and clouds. Step onto the iconic Golden Bridge, where giant hands lift you into a surreal landscape. Explore Linh Ung Pagoda and enjoy light establishments at Fantasy Park. The entire day feels elevated, elegant, and filled with unforgettable views. Discover the charm of Cam Than Fishing Village and glide through the peaceful coconut forest in a traditional basket boat. Continue to Hoi An Ancient Town, where centuries-old architecture and cultural heritage create a timeless atmosphere. Visit Phuc Kien Assembly Hall, ancient houses, and the iconic Japanese bridge. As evening falls, release flower lanterns on the river. A beautiful, emotional moment of hope and connection. Enjoy free time at leisure before your private transfer to the airport for your flight to Hanoi. With VietnamTour.in, every step is thoughtfully planned so you can relax and enjoy the journey without worry. Arrive in Hanoi and prepare for the next chapter of your experience. Travel comfortably to Ha Long Bay and board your premium cruise. Explore Song Sot Cave, Phi Island, and Luon Cave while surrounded by dramatic limestone landscapes. Enjoy a premium lunch, join a cooking class, and relax on the sun deck as live music fills the evening air. As the sun sets over the bay, the experience becomes truly magical and refined. Wake up to the peaceful beauty of Ha Long Bay with a calming Tai Chi session. After breakfast, continue cruising through the stunning scenery before returning to Hanoi. The journey feels smooth, balanced, and perfectly paced, a memorable highlight of your trip. Enjoy your final moments at leisure before your private transfer takes you to the airport. With VietnamTour.in, every detail is handled with care, ensuring a seamless and stress-free departure. You leave Vietnam with unforgettable memories of a journey that felt effortless, elegant, and truly special. With VietnamTour.in, every journey is designed to combine comfort, culture, and meaningful experiences. From the vibrant streets of Ho Chi Minh City to the peaceful Mekong Delta, the iconic Golden Bridge in Da Nang, and the natural wonder of Ha Long Bay, every moment reflects premium 4-star service. If you're ready to explore Vietnam in a way that feels seamless, refined, and unforgettable, contact VietnamTour.in today and begin your perfect 10 days in Vietnam journey.